Today I'm checking out something my wife and I recently came across. It's called Replenza Daily GLP-1 Nutritional Support. All right. Now, first off, this isn't any kind of prescription or medical treatment. It's simply a daily nutritional supplement with a mix of vitamins, minerals, and some natural ingredients like ginger, root extract, and ashwagandha. Now, think of it more like a boosted multivitamin made for people who want to support their wellness, especially if you've been working on your health goals. Now, my wife's been doing really great lately, lost some weight, and has been really focused on maintaining her energy and overall health. We're looking for something that could help her stay balanced as she continues her wellness journey, and that's where this comes in. Now, the label says it's designed to help fill nutritional gaps and support gut and digestive health, which makes sense because sometimes when you're eating lighter or changing your routine, you might not get everything that you need from food alone. It also contains a B complex vitamins, which are great for energy and general energy support, and ashwagandha, which many people use to help their body handle daily stress. Again, nothing medical here, just general nutritional support that fits nicely into a healthy lifestyle. It's a once-a-day formula, 2 small tablets, and they're about the size of a regular Tylenol, so it's not too bad to swallow. You can take a look at them here. You get 60 tablets. This is going to be a 30-day supply. It's gluten-free, it's non-GMO, and it's made in a GMP-compliant facility. Overall, it seems like a convenient way to simplify a supplement routine, especially for someone who wants to stay on track with wellness without juggling a handful of different bottles. We're just adding it to her daily routine to see how she does and feels over time. Nothing dramatic here, just a steady support for overall well-being. If you're looking for something that simply combines the essential vitamins, minerals, and some digestive support, then Replenza might be worth checking out. That's what we're going to do here.